Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to transfer contacts from iPhone to iPhone. Let's have a look. Here I am going to transfer contacts from iPhone 14 to iPhone 13 Pro Max. For both iPhone, iOS version 16. In my iPhone 13 Pro Max, I don't have any contacts. So I am going to transfer all of my contacts from iPhone 14. First, open Phone app, then tap Contacts from bottom menu. Once the contacts on your iPhone open, tap on the List button in the upper left corner of the screen. Now tap and hold on the list of contacts that you wish to transfer until an overlay menu appears. Once the overlay menu is visible, tap on the Export option to proceed. The share sheet will open. From share sheet, tap AirDrop. Turn on AirDrop for your other phone. So open Control Center, long press on Network section, tap AirDrop, then tap Everyone. AirDrop turned on. Now select the iPhone from AirDrop list. iPhone 14 would like to share a contact card. Tap Accept. Add all 26 contacts. Tap Save on top right. That's it. Contacts transferred. So these are the steps to transfer contacts from iPhone to iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.